trick that will blow your mind. So for us to solve this question, let's find the value of x first. So to find the value of x, we're going to cross multiply. We have 7 times 2, right? 7 times 2 minus 2 times 3, 2 times 3 all over. From here, we're going to do 3 times 2 minus 2 times 1. Just their coefficient, 2 times 1. So this will give us equals to 14 minus 6 all over 6 minus 2. So this will give us equals to 8 over 4, and our answer is 2. So x is equals to 2. Then for y, we cross multiply again. So for y, we're going to do 3 times 3 minus 7 times 1 all over. From the next one, I'm going to do 3 times 2 minus 2 times 1. That is all. So this will give us equals to 9 minus 7 times 1 is actually 7 all over 6 minus 2. So this will give us equals to 9 minus 7 is 2. You have 2 over 4, which is equals to 1 over 2. So that's how we solve it. So x is equals to 2, y is equals to 1 over 2. Just few minutes. So if you understand this, solve the second one for me. What's the value of x and y? Drop your answer in the comment section, and don't forget to share and follow if you are new. I'll see you in the next class.